What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in this tutorial, I will explain you one of the most important topic in Python programming, which is for loop.
Hey myself Betty, I'm Lakshit's assistant. I make sure that his videos are helpful to you. Please tell me your video experience in the comment box so that I can tell Lakshit to improve his videos. And I'll keep your extra care if you subscribe to his channel and also press the bell icon. I and Lakshit will really appreciate it if you complete this 10-second task. Thank you.
So let's begin. So here you can see a list which tells the temperature on Monday. Here you can see it is 19, 22, etc, etc, etc. And if you want to print it out, the one method is we can type print, then name of the variable Monday, put the index value, then for next Monday index value 1 and so on. Okay, if we print it out we will get the value, but if we have a long list, how we can print them out in just one step? Let me tell you. We will use a for loop. Its syntax is for, then we'll type any word, tmpe or a ty, in this case it tmp temp. Okay, it's temp. What this temp mean? The value here in this list has been assigned to this temp. Okay, then temp, we will put this in keyword, then where we have to check in Monday temperature, then put semicolon, then we have to print this temp. What it will does, it check temp in Monday temp. First it will go to 19, then it will again run it to 22.3, then it will again run it to 26.7, then it will again run it to 20. It will automatically run. Let me show you. Here you can see it has been printed. Okay, and if you want to round it out, you can simply do round, then temp. Here you can see the number has been rounded. And if you want to put time with the temperature, what we can do is first we will import date time, then here we have to put date time dot now. Now if you print it out, it will show the time with the exact time with the temperature. Let us make it more beautiful. tmp temperature at, then we will go here, what is, let's see what we will get. Let me clear this out. You can see that temperature at, we have put some space here. Let me run it again. You can see that temperature at this time is this. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask me in comment box. Okay, so thank you and meet you in the next tutorial.